My dear brother, my dear sister. Before you close your eyes tonight, I want you to pause for a moment and truly reflect. Life is passing by so quickly. Every day, we are running after the world, after success, after people's approval. But how often do we stop and listen to what Allah is telling us? Allah is reminding you in every heartbeat, in every breath, that He has not forgotten you. No matter what mistakes you have made today, no matter how heavy your heart feels, His mercy is still greater than your sins. He says in the Quran, "Do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Indeed, Allah forgives all sins." So tonight, before you sleep, ask yourself, did I thank Allah for my blessings? Did I seek forgiveness for my shortcomings? Did I prepare my soul for the journey that could begin any moment? Because none of us are promised tomorrow. Remember, the pillow you lay your head on tonight could become your final resting place. Your last breath could be the one you are about to take. But if you sleep with your heart connected to Allah, seeking His forgiveness, then even if death comes, it will meet you in the state of remembrance. So tonight, don't sleep with anger in your heart. Don't sleep with sins unrepented. Don't sleep forgetting the one who gave you everything. Raise your hands, whisper to Him, cry if you can, and say, "Ya Allah, forgive me, guide me, protect me." Because at the end of the day, it's not about how perfect we are. It's about how sincere we are. Allah loves a heart that keeps returning to Him, no matter how many times it has fallen. So my dear listener, before you sleep tonight, remember this. Allah is closer to you than your own soul. And He is waiting for you to call upon Him. Don't delay. Don't wait for tomorrow. Turn to Him tonight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful Islamic reminders and motivational videos.